All right, in this video, I'm going to go over the characteristics of quadratic functions given the actual graph. All right, looking at this first example. As you can see, it's a negative parabola because it's facing down, and it has arrows on both ends. So when you're looking for the domain, you know you're focusing on the x values. Since it has arrows on both sides, it's going to cover every single x value there is on this graph. So because of that, your domain for negative parabola and positive parabolas as well will always be from negative infinity to positive infinity. In interval notation, I will say from negative infinity to positive infinity with parentheses because bracket means you are including a number and infinity is not necessarily a number. And then in inequality notation, I'll say negative infinity less than x because I'm focusing on the x value for your domain less than infinity. Now your range. Remember the cheer we did in class? Starting from the bottom to the top, that's where it starts and where it stops. So if you look at the bottom, the arrows are pointing down. Since they're going to keep going, they're going to keep going all the way down to negative infinity. The top of this graph is right here. And as you can see, it stops at where y is going to be 1. So my range goes from negative infinity to 1. In interval notation, I'll say negative infinity, comma 1. I'll put a bracket because 1 is a number and parentheses over here on the left side. In equality notation, I'll say negative infinity less than y because we're talking about range less than or equal to 1. And I'm saying less than or equal to because I'm actually including the 1. All right, vertex. Obviously, where my red dot is, that's my vertex. And the order pair of my vertex is 7, comma 1. As you can see, since my vertex is on top, I have a maximum. My line of symmetry is the imaginary dotted line that goes straight through the vertex. So my axis of symmetry is going to be this line right here. That's the only line that can go straight through that vertex. And as you can see, it crosses through the value 7 on the x-axis. So my line of symmetry will be x equals 7. My x-intercept is wherever my parabola is crossing over the x-axis. It's crossing over the x-axis here at 6 as well as over here on 8. So my x-intercepts will be 6, comma 0 and 8, comma 0. And it's increasing. If I draw my roller coaster on the far left, and if I push this roller coaster, it's going to go up. But it's going to go up, and then stop right here at that vertex. So that means it's increasing from negative infinity to 7 and is decreasing from 7 to infinity. And that's it.